Alrighty guys, and in this building we only have 2 lobby cats. And here both of them are. And they're both busy cleaning. Cleaning. Under here we have the mayor, the president, Mr. Snicker. Mr. Snicker. Hi buddies, it's the Mr. Snicker. Mr. Snicks. He's so handsome. Such a handsome guy. But no sense you getting up, because Daddy's going to be moving on to the next building. And then you're going to get up and get all mad because everybody's gone. Huh, babies. Mr. Snickers. Mr. Snickers loves attention, huh? Then why don't we get a scratch on that side so we can see your face? Huh? Maybe get some scratches on the other side so we can see your face. No? You want scratches on this side, huh? Mr. Snicker. Mr. Snickers. And right there we have the buns. Little buns. What's up, bunny buns? Little pretty bunny buns. Huh. Yes, you are. What Snickers. And little bunnies. And these are the only 2 kitties in this lobby. Huh. And we'll be moving on to another room. What's up? What's up, Nick? Alrighty, guys. Merry Christmas. On to the next room.